Hey everybody, my name is Dmitry, and in this video I want to show you how to install and set up the Endurance WordPress theme. You will learn how to set up your homepage to look just like the theme demo, and I will explain the theme's features and settings. Ready to get started? Let's go! This video was recorded using WordPress 5.5 and version 1.0.6 of the Endurance theme. Some parts of this video might be obsolete in future versions of WordPress or of this theme. To install the free Endurance theme, go to the dashboard and open the Themes page in the Appearance section. Click the Add New link and search for Endurance in the search field. Hover the theme and click the Install link. It will take a few seconds for the theme to be downloaded and installed on your website. Click the Activate button to activate the theme. If your WordPress website is new and has no content, this is what the homepage will look like right after activating the theme. WordPress automatically adds some standard widgets to the sidebars, but I recommend that you remove all those default widgets. Now let's look at the theme's demo and see what content is displayed on the homepage. After that, I will show you how to set up every part of it. In the header, we have a website logo and the primary menu. The first section on the homepage is a simple photo slideshow. It serves as a quick presentation of your church. These photos don't link to any posts or pages. Next comes the welcome message section. It is followed by a section that allows you to feature 3 of your most important pages. Next comes the recent posts section with the main sidebar to the right. And finally, the website's footer, which is divided into 4 widgetized columns of equal width. Now let's look at every section separately and see how to set everything up. To upload a website logo, go to the Customize page and open the Site Identity tab. Upload a new image or select an existing one from your media library. After you select the image, let's click the Skip Cropping button. The Endurance theme has a single menu location in the header of the website. To add photos to the homepage slideshow, go to the Customize page and open the Header Media section. Upload multiple photos and they will be displayed here. Remove the photos that you don't need. The Featured Pages section is set up on the Customize page in the Theme Settings panel. Simply choose 3 of your existing pages and they will be displayed here. Your pages must have featured images, otherwise thumbnails will not be displayed. You can choose to display or hide the page excerpts. As an example, let's create a new page and display it in this section. The Welcome to the House of God section is a standard text widget placed in the homepage welcome message widgetized area. Now let's look at the other theme settings. The structure of a header can use a 2 columns layout or a centered layout. If you want to use a wide logo or you have many links in your menu, the centered layout might work better for you. You can also control the appearance of featured images inside of posts and pages. The dynamic menu is a cool little feature that I really like. When you have pages with multiple child pages, a menu is automatically generated in the sidebar. This menu makes it easier to navigate from one sibling page to another. I think this is great for user experience. The display parent page title setting is easier to demonstrate than explain. If you go to a child page that has a featured image, then enabling this setting will display the title of a parent page. Here I have a ministries page with multiple child pages. Opening the women page, the ministries title is displayed on top of a featured image. Some users might find this useful. If you would like to customize your copy of a theme with your brand colors, then you would need to add some custom CSS code. I have a separate video on this topic, you can see it on this channel. If you have more questions, you can find some useful information on the themes page in the appearance section. From here, you can easily access the themes community support forum on wordpress.org, send a direct message to the developer, or even make a donation. And that's all for today's video. If this video was helpful to you, please consider liking it and subscribing to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.